So I went ahead and made a frame and a clipping mask, and now I'm going to save this file. File, save as. I want to save it as a PSD file so that it has layers. Clipping mask round frame is a PSD file. It has layers, and so you just save it. So now you can use it over and over again. You can see that this is about a 6, yeah, this is 6 by 6. And then you can upload to your websites to print. But before I did that, I needed to trim this because I didn't want the file to be huge like this. That's a lot of space that you don't need. And I didn't want to make this larger because then it'll become blurry or pixelated. So what you do is, and here's how I'm going to center this. I'm going to show you a trick here. Say that's off center. You go over to your, I can't think of the word, rectangular marquee tool. And you're going to outline the entire image, the entire field. You just select that, press down, and outline the entire field. Then you're going to press on your arrow key, the center, that just centered that. Then deselect. Okay. Now I want to go to Image, Trim, Transparent Pixels. It's based on that. You're just going to say OK. And then now it took away all that extra space. And then you just File, Save. Now I've saved this ping file for later use. I think I'll probably put it on a button or t-shirts or whatever, like at Redbubble or Zazzle, or stickers. But anyway, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.